Today's video is in two parts. The first part I'm going to show you how to create your first survey, and the second part I'm going to show you how to launch that survey. So let's get started. In the first part we're going to look at how you can create your survey. So once you've logged into WorkInConfidence, you should see a screen that looks something similar to this. The panel on the far right hand side should be Create a Survey. If you don't see the panel, then either contact your WorkInConfidence administrator or contact WorkInConfidence support. Click the Create a Survey button. Next you get a choice of which survey type you can create. You can create pulse surveys, which are single question surveys, mini surveys when you've just got a few simple questions to ask, or a long survey such as a full staff survey. We're going to create a mini survey today. First of all, you need to give the survey a reference. Now this appears both in the list of surveys that you've created, along with any emails you send out from the system asking people to complete the survey. So it needs to be meaningful. You can also choose whether you want to share that survey with other people. So leaving this toggle on will mean that other survey managers can also see this and edit this survey. If you don't want that, just click that and turn that off. And go ahead and create the survey. The next step is to add questions to your survey, and you can add as many as you like. I'm just going to add 3 today just to show you what that looks like. So the first question might be, where do you work? So there we go. And that's going to be a pick list question. So I can choose from 5 different types of question on here, and I choose pick list. I can decide whether I want this to be optional or not, but in this case I don't. And then I can add the answer to the pick list. Now, if you've previously created attributes through importing users, then you can use those. But otherwise, you can just add other options in. So I'm going to add Reading, Oxford, and you have to have at least 2 of these. I'm going to add 1 more. So I've now got 3 options that people can answer. And I add that question. So I can see at the top here, I can see where do you work, I can edit and delete that question, or I can add another one. So my next question is, how was your day today? Appropriate for this might be either a 5-point smiley scale or a rating scale. So the smiley scale shows 5 smiling faces, or smiling faces through to frowning faces that people can choose from, or a rating scale, which is what I'm going to choose here. Here I can choose from a 4, 5, 10 or 11 point scale. In a separate video you can see how to create those different types of scales, but I'm going to choose a 5-point rating scale and add that question. The final one is going to be, why did you say that? And this is going to be free text, so to allow people to add their own comments. I'm going to make that optional. So I now add that question. So I've now got my 3 questions set up here. Where do you work? How was your day today? And why did you say that? 3 different types. I've finished now adding questions, so I'm going to click Finish the Survey, which sets that up. So that's how you create the survey, and that's the end of this first video. And take a look at our second video, which now shows you how to launch the survey. You'll find lots more help and hints and tips on our support website. Go to support.workinconfidence.com or send us an email, support@workinconfidence.com, and somebody will be able to help you out. If you haven't already, click the bell to get notifications and subscribe to the channel.